All right, so first, this is already on propane. This plugs into here. This piece screws onto the propane tank. Then turn the propane tank on so it's feeding in. And then you can turn on the battery. And then you push and hold this no longer than 5 seconds. It should crank up. Turn that off when you're storing it, not using it. If this doesn't start it, just pull this out. Super easy moving. You're done. It should crank right up, but hopefully you just hold this and it should turn on automatically. This plug is here, and then this plug plugs into the house.